Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a look at a product that promises to transform the atmosphere of busy kitchens and cafes, the Waring Commercial Sound Enclosure Kit. If you've ever been in a cafe or gym and heard the loud roar of a commercial blender in action, you know how disruptive it can be. The Waring SE1000 is designed to change that by dramatically reducing the noise produced by your blender. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This sound enclosure is designed specifically for Waring's MX series blenders, including models like the MX1000 XTS, MX1200 XTXP, MX1500 XTX, and many more. It's built to reduce the noise that typically accompanies blending, especially when you're crushing ice. The kit attaches directly to the blender, forming a barrier that traps the noise and helps create a quieter, more pleasant environment in commercial settings. When it comes to features, the Waring SE1000 is straightforward, but effective. The material used in the sound enclosure is durable and built to last, promising to withstand the demands of high-volume commercial kitchens. It's also designed with functionality in mind, making it easy to install and remove when necessary. For businesses like juice bars, health clubs, or even restaurants, this can be a game changer. No one wants to be yelling over the noise of a blender just to take an order, and this enclosure kit aims to solve that problem by bringing the decibel level down significantly. Testing this product in real-world settings, it's clear that the Waring SE1000 does exactly what it's supposed to do: reduce noise. Setting it up was as simple as expected. Just place the enclosure around the blender and secure it. It fits snugly on all the compatible MX series models, and from there, the difference is noticeable immediately. During use, whether blending ice for smoothies or mixing up a protein shake, the reduction in noise is substantial. It's quieter, making it much more tolerable for both staff and customers. However, it's not completely silent. The blender still makes noise, but it's muted to the point where conversations can continue without interruption, which is the whole point of this enclosure. That said, it's important to note that while the SE1000 does a fantastic job of cutting down the noise, it does slightly reduce the airflow around the blender. This isn't a huge issue in terms of performance, but it's something to keep in mind if you're dealing with extreme blending tasks. Some users may notice a slight change in blending speed with particularly tough ingredients, though in general, the impact is minimal. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this sound enclosure. One of the major advantages is its ability to reduce noise significantly. If you're in a setting where you're trying to maintain a calm environment, like a smoothie shop or a health club, this is a fantastic addition to your setup. The build quality is solid, and it fits most Waring MX series blenders without issue. It's also easy to install, which is a big plus if you're looking for a hassle-free solution. On the flip side, the enclosure isn't a perfect fix. While it does reduce noise, it doesn't eliminate it entirely. The blender still makes some noise, though much less. Another minor issue is that it can slightly alter the cooling of the blender. If you're blending high-volume, tough ingredients like frozen fruits or nuts, the airflow reduction can cause the blender to heat up a bit faster than usual. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth considering depending on your needs. As far as value for money goes, the Waring SE1000 is priced at a premium, but it does deliver in terms of noise reduction and durability. If you're running a commercial establishment where noise is a real concern, it's definitely worth the investment. There are alternatives out there, but none quite as tailor-made for the Waring MX series. While some noise reduction enclosures for other brands can be found at lower prices, they might not offer the same level of precision or compatibility with Waring products. When we compare the Waring SE1000 to other sound enclosures, it's clear that the Waring brand has engineered a solution that's specifically designed for their MX series blenders. There are some generic enclosures on the market that claim to reduce noise, but they may not fit as well or be as effective at muting sound. Plus, they may not be as easy to use or as durable as this Waring enclosure. If you're using a different blender brand, you might be able to find a less expensive noise reduction kit, but it's unlikely to perform as consistently as the Waring SE1000. In terms of build quality and longevity, the Waring SE1000 is solid. It's made from durable materials designed to last in a high-traffic environment, which is important for any commercial product. While there's no long-term data on wear and tear available just yet, Waring is a reputable brand known for producing reliable equipment, so you can expect the SE1000 to hold up well over time. Customer support from Waring is also worth noting. Their customer service is known for being responsive and helpful, and if you have any issues with the sound enclosure, you can expect a prompt resolution. Of course, since the product is relatively simple, it's unlikely that most users will need extensive support, but it's nice to know that it's there if you need it. So, what's the final verdict on the Waring SE1000 sound enclosure kit? It's a well-built, effective solution for reducing noise in commercial environments. If you're using a Waring MX series blender and need a quieter operation, this is one of the best options available. It might not eliminate noise completely, but it will reduce it enough to make your environment more pleasant. The price is on the higher end, but it's justified by the build quality and noise reduction capabilities. It's an essential addition to any busy cafe, juice bar, or gym where the blender is constantly in use. Thanks for watching today's review. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Waring SE1000, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Until next time, keep it cool and quiet here at Reviews Inside TV.